Welcome to Noviland, where sourcing and purchasing is actually made easy. At Noviland, we combine a mixture of technology with human elements to provide you with an easy, streamlined system to get competitive quotes from our large network of factories. All we need from you is some detailed specifications and quantities to locate the factories in our network that best suit your needs. After just a few days, we're able to provide you with transparent pricing from those best suited factories. And from there, you're able to order samples and work with your dedicated Noviland team to ensure the product meets all your expectations. Once you're ready to see your total delivered costs, simply add the product to an order. Noviland's technology empowers you to see a dynamic, final delivered pricing in real time while consolidating all of your products into a single shipment, which can help you save thousands. Once you've decided you're ready to place your order, simply proceed to payment through Noviland's secure online portal to get production started right away. With Noviland's focus on transparency, you get to see real-time updates on your production as well as shipping. Now that you've had the chance to see our awesome, free-to-use platform, let's start this journey together. Click the link below to get started and let Noviland be your modern sourcing and purchasing sidekick. We look forward to working with you.